to the gallery room at B Love's Guest House. This is our premium room, and this is one of my favorite rooms. This part of the house, the ceilings are 11 feet. We have space for these lovely chandeliers. And this is where there was once a door. And it leads into the California room. And the door isn't ever opened. And then we also needed to have some privacy. You know, like you could hear the people in the other room, and because the door is never open, then I had this closed in. I put a mirror here, and it's working wonderfully. This was also a door. Okay, so this room needs a chandelier. This is grand. So I'm so thrilled that my guest is just as thrilled as I am that they'll be occupying the space.